Ready to elevate your student life to the next level? Welcome to IQ the Pad Egham, where unforgettable memories are made. Step into a world of sophistication with a range of private studios and en-suite rooms, all designed to create a vibrant community. In the heart of Egham, each room is equipped with a comfy bed, a dedicated study area, and ample underbed storage to keep your space tidy. And the amenities? They're nothing short of spectacular. Unwind in this stylish social spaces, challenge friends in the games room, stay fit at the well-equipped gym, and enjoy unlimited Wi-Fi and on-site laundry facilities. Location? It couldn't be better. A short distance away, you will find Royal Holloway and Brunel University. IQ the Pad is surrounded by culinary hotspots. Enjoy a relaxing coffee at Boiler House Cafe or a lively night at the Packhorse Pub. Need groceries? Tesco Superstore is just around the corner. Plus, a Chestnut Drive bus stop nearby. Commuting's a breeze. Why wait? Start your adventure at IQ the Pad Egham today. Book your room now at amberstudent.com and make your student life extraordinary.